don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by the General.
Horotman is Tibo.
Inside, Rodman.
Otro long phone long hopotaka the result it's a chiefs. No, I mean you are busy calling me since morning telling one thing and you must stop to do that. I don't like it. I don't like it, Tibo. Horotman, after that call ya how? Ke phone it nabi.
Yeah.
You know I always talk to him. Ke re ke mo dumedisa.
Yeah.
Untshe ha ka mokho wena no ntshe ha ka. O senta no tshe ha lona bya no. Money like ke dropile kholo ele cause na ne ke nyako mo dumedisa. It seems like o thabile go feta batho ba ka moka.
Yeah.
And like ke mo blockile sometime.
Yeah.
No need to talk to him anymore. Lwena se kanya go re go block. Okay, Horotman, like I don't know Kaizer Chiefs why irritates ka lefatshe.
Hey.
Cause ke ning di translator tse di coacher. Re ba khopelo re ba kere coachara aba kere coachara. But ke Thomas suspect gore maybe ba sanya ka translator engwe.
When existing.
And ke ba kere tse Alende cause o teng ka mo haufi ka mo. Don't you know Alende is getting bonus being for translator cause Leono teng ka mo. So we can take him, maybe he'll do better than those translators because he understands PSL football. Horotman is not a joke. Sundowns ikubile mangoba mncidi. They bring in Steve Compella here as an assistant. Each and every coach who coach Mamelodi Sundowns from outside, who create assistants from South Africa. Orlando Pirates, I never saw them letting go of So why don't we have an assistant coach Yamohai?
Yeah.
Like these big two clubs.
Yeah.
Look at the level of competition between Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Yeah. You'll never tell which one is the best than anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Rena Reneto level Sundowns Yadal, Pirates Yadal. What about Rena Redal?
Cheap labor.
Not all about a cheap labor. You can get the cheap material, but if you have a good sense, you can make it with that material. But if we get the coach who can come in and get the best of Mfundo Villakas and Duba on whoever will do better, my brother. It's not a players, but wait. Believe me, if we can get someone like the best coach, allow me today, Horotman, to say congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for giving Orlando Pirates top position today. Mamelodi Sundowns, for them to remain on position 2 is because of Kaizer Chiefs gave 3 points, 3 goals to Orlando Pirates. If Orlando Pirates didn't get those 3 goals yesterday, today the big mistake that Orlando Pirates they've done, Horotman, this season is to take the weapon from their backroom yard and give it to Mamelodi Sundowns. And the very weapon that they use it to sell it to Mamelodi Sundowns is going to kill them. Saleng. It was a wrong move, so Saleng. Look at Saleng, he came back. How many games? This season?
Debut.
How many days, how many months Asadal? But it took him less than 5 minutes to have an assist. Urinka player
Quality.
More than 10 games. Today, less than 5 minutes, Uchenchite a game. Sundowns to win this game, it's Saleng. For Sundowns to win this game today, Kisapoya coach. The question is why it took too long to play Saleng. Maybe sometime, somehow, in Kebe Isaleko Net Bank.
Mara Cedric Kazwanya.
No, Kazi Atamaya. Bona, as long as Bona, Ebilo Sampotaka Daman. Horotman, conclusion here, I'm going to repeat this way, the Horotman. If Sundowns win this Betway League this season, PSL must release Sundowns to go and play with a PSG or Real Madrid or Manchester City. Go England. Ora Sundowns I deserve a standard is a PSL. Because of you can see the level of consistency. Orlando Pirates. One man, they're not visiting position 1. Sundowns it's visit the way I know Mamelodi Sundowns last 8 years. They don't visit to be on position 1. They are visiting and smelling that position. Give you ones. Why? This is the last way, the Hortman. Between these two shades, camera, you can show these two shades. Wabana lista. So yeah, it's fine. Kisa 90 something. Sekisa simcha. Sekisa bokuku. Sekisa new car. Different. Okay, fine. Listen here. Yeah, these two teams. The one or lose one game, it's over. Sundowns, if they lose one game, it's over. Pirates, if they lose one game, it's over. For them, is to keep the consistency and not lose the game. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, General.